Hello, hi everyone. This is Saurabh, a certified mindset coach and content creator from Beyond the Belief. And today we have Prayag Naidu with us. Welcome Prayag to the channel. For our audience, Prayag is going to talk about mental well-being today, a topic which is still a taboo but needs attention, the sincere attention that we all do. And this is going to be a very fun conversation, I'm sure. And this is not going to be some academic topic. This is for you and me, everyone who is there in the corporate or in their business or in their school, college, everywhere, right? That is something very, very important. Welcome, Prayag. And for the viewers, I would like to talk about Prayag. He is a master's in clinical psychology from Pune University. He's a professional mental well-being expert who is skilled in psychological counseling, and his work that he is doing with Manah Wellness is something that we would love to know about and talk about. He also has a diploma in community mental health. This is really exciting having you here, Prayag. Welcome. So, what would you like to talk about first?
Thank you so much, Saurabh. First of all, I'm obliged to be here, and thank you so much for having me here. I remember when Saurabh reached out to me for this, I was really excited after looking at his channel. Lot of youth population, younger people commenting there, reaching out. So I was like, okay, this is the thing that I actually wanted to do, support as much as I can. So I'd like to start with a short introduction. I think Saurabh already introduced me. My area of expertise basically is counseling and corporate wellness. So for counseling, I work with adolescents, adults for mood-related issues and adjustment issues, stress, burnout, and all those areas. Of that is something about me, and yeah.
Perfect. So, Prayag, this is a very interesting field, and there are many organizations which are working, individuals which are working, but that is something special about Manah Wellness, and we would really like to know, as a team Manah Wellness, what is your area that you work in and the impact created.
Definitely. Thank you so much, first of all, for saying that, you've heard about it a lot. Sort of Manah Wellness is working with progressive organizations to create a emotionally healthy workspace. And that is, in a nutshell, something that we're trying to do. We are not trying to do something which is a traditional EAP, employee assistance program, where, working more on reactive approach. We are trying to build a culture of emotional well-being where mental health will be as simple as grabbing cup of coffee. So we are trying to make it accessible and building that emotional wealthy culture. Specifically, to talk about my role, I work as a client relationship manager. I work in strategizing and personalizing each services that we deliver, and making sure that client is getting what their need are. So
Perfect.
specifically to needs, yeah.
Yeah, that's really interesting that you spoke, right? So, while we say that it is still a taboo or something serious that can be taken, while the nature of mental well-being is to be taken seriously, not the methods to be taken seriously. That कहते हैं ना कि सिर्फ मतलब पागल ही होता है जो साइकोलॉजिस्ट या साइकियाट्रिस्ट के पास जाता है, स्पेशली एट वर्क प्लेस. जो लोगों को दिक्कत होती है, थोड़ा सी स्ट्रगल होती है, उनको आइदर इंट्रोवर्ट कह के छोड़ दिया जाता है कि यार ये तो इंट्रोवर्ट, ये बात नहीं करता. दैट इज व्हाट आई हैव सीन पर्सनली. या फिर दे देमसेल्फ कंसिडर्ड कि आई एम बिलो एवरेज, या मैं ऐसा ही हूँ या मैं ऐसी ही हूँ. I think that's where a large opportunity for those people to get help, and for you guys also, Manah Wellness, to help them out.
Right, and I think it can totally relate to what you're saying, Saurabh. जैसे कि आपने कहा कि बहुत सारे लोग इस स्टिग्मा की वजह से रीच आउट नहीं करता है. हर दिन सफर करते हैं, but they just feel that क्यों जाना है किसी के पास, लोग पागल मेंटल बोलने लग जाएंगे. And this is, yeah, and I think this is, I'm speaking for myself, and I think you must have seen this. लोगों को problem mental words है. Okay, I'll just explain you. Okay, there is physical health, and now physical is masculine. Physical is, everybody is talking about be physically fit, be do this, do that, everything they're talking about. But and wellness is something which is very common. It's a consequence that comes with physical wellness. And then other side, it talks about mental wellness. अब ट्रेडिशनली इफ यू सी, हमेशा से हमारे कल्चर में बात हुआ है कि फिजिकली फिट, फिजिकली ये, फिजिकली वो, राइट? अब मेंटल का डिस्क्रिप्शन और यूजेज बहुत कम हुआ है हमारे कल्चर के अंदर, और जिधर भी हुआ है मेंटल, वो मजाक के तरीके से हुआ है, या किसी को चिढ़ाने के लिए हुआ है, या तो किसी को नीचा दिखाने के लिए हुआ है, राइट? तो जस्ट टू belittle what they have done. तो मेरा मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव ये है कि मेंटल जो वर्ड है, उसी से लोगों को प्रॉब्लम है. द मोमेंट द स्टिग्मा विल गेट रिमूव, taken out from mental word, people will start reaching out more. So it's not about wellness, it's not about physical wellness, it's not about wellness, यहाँ वाला mental, it is just about this mental word. तो जैसे ही इस mental word से निकल जाएगा stigma, people will get more sensitized about it, sanitization हो जाएगा इस mental word का, लोगों को, और they will reach out more, क्योंकि सबको पता है कि हम लोग ये चीजों से गुजर रहे हैं. So yeah, that's my opinion. And every time when we reach out to clients, जब हम actually there are two different framework पे people talking about mental health, और लोग बात हिंदी में कर रहे हैं मानसिक स्वास्थ्य. तो मैंने यहाँ पे देखा है कि यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा स्टिग्मा थोड़ा सा कम है. लोग लगता है ठीक है मानसिक स्वास्थ्य, क्योंकि लोग मेंटल वर्ड नहीं यूज कर रहे. तो लोगों को मेंटल हेल्थ से प्रॉब्लम नहीं, लोगों को मेंटल वर्ड से प्रॉब्लम है. So yeah, that is something that I have noticed.
ये बहुत ही अच्छा पर्सपेक्टिव दिया प्रयाग आपने, एंड आई कैन थिंक ऑफ मल्टीपल एग्जांपल्स नाउ व्हाइल यू आर स्पीकिंग कि हाँ ये सच है. बढ़िया. प्रयाग, एक पर्सनल क्वेश्चन, एंड दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस जो सीख रहे हैं, चीजों को समझ रहे हैं कि हम कैसे काम करते हैं या क्या होता है. आपने साइकोलॉजिस्ट बनने का क्यों सोचा? व्हाट वाज द मोटिव?
Okay, so there was a personal reason behind it, and I think psychology, most of the time ऐसा होता है कि आप एक path ले लेते हो, and after your 12th you're like, okay, देखेंगे, let's do something about it, कुछ हो जाएगा करियर में. So it has a personal story attached to it, जो मेरे को masters में आके पता चला कि there is a purpose, that's the reason why I'm meant to be here. So I started my graduation, and graduation में just BA, because I was an art student. And I always I was aspired to be a defense personnel. But after giving a lot of exams, I figured out that okay, this is something which is going really tough, but I have to focus more on it. So let's shift to, so मेरा जैसे graduation खत्म हुआ, I shifted to masters, and masters में I've chosen psychology, because graduation में मुझे पता चल गया था okay, I'm really inquisitive about knowing more about mental health and knowing people mostly. It's not just about psychology. क्लिनिक जैसे मैंने मास्टर्स चालू किया, आई ऑप्टेड फॉर दिस कोर्स फ्रॉम पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी, और वहाँ पे आई हैव एक्सप्लोर्ड दैट माय इंटरेस्ट इज टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट इन साइकोलॉजी, एंड इट्स नॉट जस्ट लाइक काउंसलिंग, इट्स मोस्टली अबाउट मैंने आइडेंटिफाई किया कि when I was a student, I was never a good student. If I show you my results, you'll be like कि how can you be a professional dude? हर सब्जेक्ट में तो D और C है. और क्लिनिक जब मैं मास्टर्स कर रहा था, तब मैंने एक्सप्लोर किया कि वो अवेयरनेस जो सबके अंदर होता है, वही एक था जो मेरे में लैकिंग था, राइट? एंड मेंटल हेल्थ एंड इमोशनल हेल्थ, वेलबीइंग इज ऑल अबाउट गिविंग दैट अवेयरनेस टू दैट पर्सन, मेकिंग देम अवेयर ऑफ दैट पोटेंशियल दैट दे हैव, राइट? इट्स लाइक कि दिमाग के अंदर पूरा अंधेरा है, बट यू आर जस्ट टेकिंग अ टॉर्च विथ यू एंड जस्ट शोइंग देम दैट ओके, सी दिस इज योर पोटेंशियल, राइट? द अदर एग्जांपल फॉर दिस इज, हम सब सोच रहे हैं कि we all are circles, ठीक है? और एक सर्कल हमारा करियर है जिसके अंदर ये सर्कल फिट होगा, and now this is a path. But somebody is somebody is triangle, somebody is rectangle, and you're just trying to get it fit in a circle, right? So जब ये awareness आता है, तब people are more aware कि अच्छा, this is my potential, man. इधर पे मैं I'm more set. So this is something that I explored, and after that I got a purpose that okay, see, I want to help more people like me, because अगर स्कूल टाइम में मुझे कोई ऐसा बोल देता that dude, you're really good in talking to people, you're really good in helping them, empathizing with them, it would have been a totally different thing for me. मैं तभी से और प्रिपेयर करने लग जाता, but I think it's never too late for learning. And ये मुझे actually मेरी एक mentor ने बताया. Okay, she's still there, she's working with Pune University. Her name is Dr. Juhi Deshmukh. She did nothing, she just gave me she gave me the space of understanding what I am. She always used to reinforce me that Prayag, this is your expertise, you're doing so great. And that push, वो जो push था, वो मुझे वो torch की तरह लेके गया धीरे धीरे, that okay, see, this is your potential, explore this is your potential. So I think mental health field choose करने का मतलब मेरा यही था that जितने भी लोग ये अंधेरे में जी रहे हैं, you just need to show them the torch, that's it. Yeah, and they have
Perfect.
the potential to run that.
This is so
Yeah,
good. You also mentioned how your mentor played the role,
yeah,
right? Showing the direction maybe, and helping you understand what you are good at. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. A lot of young people that we see nowadays करना बहुत कुछ चाहते हैं, but maybe they are still trying to fit in into a circle and not
right.
understanding their potential,
Exact. Not understanding their own space. कि
own
कौन से
space.
shape के हैं ये लोग. Yeah, shape क्या है इनका.
Perfect,
Right.
perfect. This is so nice. This is so nice.